Hello everyone, let's make a very simple and easy quick DIY. Details of these wooden planks that I'm using are in the caption below. So I'm using common acrylic paints on these wooden planks, and we will be creating a shading over here. You can do it the way it is shown in the video. To shade it out, it's better to use a separate brush. Okay, so I am coloring all the three planks with three different colors here: blue, yellow, and red. Now let's stick these letters onto the planks. They are very easy to use. You just have to peel out the back side of these words, and they have already adhesive attached to it, and they'll be easily sticked onto it. The details of these letters are also mentioned in the caption below. However, you can also get it from many suppliers. There are a lot many suppliers online which sell customized letters. You can get those letters from different websites as well. This is acrylic basically. So these are very easy to use. Once you apply, just peel off the outer covering and they are good to go. Once this is done, let's make it look more better. So I'm using this acrylic pen to highlight the corners, then some threads, some beads, and some charms to make it a hanging, and here it is. Thanks for watching. Do like the video and subscribe my channel for more updates.